Hi, good morning. I'm Jessica Fernandez from Vadodara, Gujarat. And in this particular year, 2024, this is my fourth visit to Goa. The first one to the Basilica of Bom Jesus. I have been to the church before as well, but not during the Novena and especially not during the exposition. And being here is you can feel the presence of the Holy Spirit here. This I'm saying particularly because the first Mass that I attended on the first day of the Novena, um, during the sermon itself, I felt as if the words of the priest really touched me, and automatically there were tears in my eyes. I have no particular sad thing happening or something overwhelming happening in my life, but just the words of the priest and the whole conduct of the Mass was so special and so touching that the whole environment felt so holy and so spiritual. I felt deeply connected to my faith and want to remain true to it. Thank you so much for to all the people who have been part of organizing this Novena. It's been a blemishless experience, meaning there is no one thing that I can point out that this was not done correctly or this was not done well. It's been managed so well, and I thank everyone who's been part of it. Thank you very much.